Mastering predictions in reading comprehension. Unleashing the power of graphic organizers. Hello, dear learners. Welcome to our English language learning video series. Today, we are diving into an exciting and very practical topic: using graphic organizers. This method is a great tool when it comes to enhancing your reading comprehension skills, particularly in making predictions. So, sit back, relax, and let's master this skill together. Graphic organizers are visual tools that help us arrange our thoughts and ideas in an orderly, systematic manner. They can take many forms, like mind maps, flowcharts, or Venn diagrams. For reading comprehension, they are a powerful tool, helping us deconstruct the text, analyze its elements, and make meaningful predictions. When reading a text, making predictions means anticipating what will come next based on the information you've already processed. Graphic organizers can be your roadmap, guiding you through this process. They enable you to track characters, events, and details, making it easier to spot patterns, relationships, and possible future events. Now, let's explore how we can effectively use graphic organizers for making predictions. Step 1. Identify key elements. Start by reading a section of the text, then jot down the key elements such as characters, events, and details in your graphic organizer. Step 2. Draw connections. Next, draw connections between these elements. These connections could indicate relationships or sequences of events. Step 3. Make your predictions. Finally, based on the elements and their connections, you can now make your predictions. It's important to remember that predictions are not about being right or wrong, but about engaging more deeply with the text. You might be wondering what these graphic organizers look like in practice. Here are a few examples. Storyboard. This helps you visually track the sequence of events or the plot. It's especially helpful for narrative texts. Character map. This allows you to analyze the characters, their traits, their relationships, and their evolution throughout the text. Cause and effect organizer. This diagram helps you understand the causes and effects of different events, allowing you to make predictions based on these relationships. Remember, the goal is to find or create a graphic organizer that works best for you and the text you are dealing with. And that's it for today's lesson. I hope you found this discussion on using graphic organizers for making predictions in reading comprehension useful. Remember, practice is the key to mastering this skill. So, grab a text, pick a suitable graphic organizer, and start making your predictions. Happy learning, and see you in our next video.